The Dow fell over 600 points today. There's also been some massive downside pressure on XLM and XRP as of late. This all has to do with Wyoming. Yes, August 25th to 27th in Wyoming, there will be a massive event that everyone right now is starting to price in, and they're pricing it into the downside. Let's leave this screen and go into this one. US stocks to open lower ahead of Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. This article was written super early this morning, and guess what? The Dow ended up closing down over 643 points, while the NASDAQ fell 323 points. The Russell 2000 gave up 41 points. Now, crypto has also seen some massive pressure to the downside. Here you go, last 2 weeks chart for stellar Lumens XLM up on the screen. We can see at least 10% pressure on the downside, and XRP looks exactly the same. So now let's talk about Jackson Hole, Wyoming. The Jackson Hole Economic Symposium is the 25th and 27th of August. The big person that we're waiting to hear from is Fed Chair Jerome Powell. And you know what? Let's take this to the big screen. We did have CPI data come out for this month, but we're not going to have an FOMC meeting where they are going to be talking and raising rates. That'll be happening next month. So traders and investors out there are looking at the Jackson Hole meeting being significant because, yes, we're going to hear what Jerome Powell has to say, and he's going to tip his hat on what the next rate hike is going to look like. As of right now, everyone is pricing in 75 basis points down, but that is all based on economic news right now. Is there something that JP is not telling us, where something he's going to say, hey, maybe we have to go with the 100-point hit, or do they back it down to the 50-point hit, which would rally the markets going forward? So since this will be the only public time that we hear from Jerome Powell, markets are already starting to price in on the downside this event coming up in the next couple days. Jerome Powell is set to give his words on the 26th, and expect more market volatility leading up these next couple days to his words. Now, these words mean a lot this month because, like I said, there is no FOMC meeting. Look for public events like this to have more effect on the price than individual product news released by either of the two companies that we've mentioned. Yes, XRP and XLM. Either of them could launch a massive project tomorrow, and it wouldn't do anything because right now the big focus is still on inflation and what Jerome Powell is saying, and we're going to hear from him soon in a couple days in Wyoming. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check out this next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.